Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do the Xbox, not the Xbox, the Sony PlayStation 5 controller. The usual thing, it's drifting. That's my personal one, so I'm gonna enjoy doing this video. So the left side started drifting. Let me show you. I need to show you how to test. So plug in this. Okay. And of course the mic got cut off, so I had to do a voiceover for this step. So basically what I'm doing is I'm testing the controller. Here is the website. I believe you can see it, ds.droid or .me something. Anyway, once you plug in the device, just add the device, the controller, add the device, and as you can see, the left side control joystick is stuck at to the left side. You can see I'm just moving it around. It's just go back to the left side. The one on the right side is in the middle. That's how it should be. So once you move it left or right, up or down, it goes to the middle. The left side is the one that's now working. Other buttons are fine. So basically, yeah, we just need to clean this, the left side joystick, and it all should be good to go. Let's go back to the real sound now. We get another spudger. Okay. Man, that was stuck. Anyway, so let's go ahead. Time to remove the battery first. Oh man, we're gonna have to remove so many things. Okay. Let's remove the this plate, and just be aware it's connected to the microphone, so just be careful with that. Okay. I think I need another set of tweezers. Perfect. That's on the side. Now remove this, 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 and this. Come on, man, let's do it. Okay. Now carefully now, all the wires are removed. Okay, now we got them. Okay, which one? This one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, usually I would replace the whole piece. But again, I don't feel like, because I'm gonna have to desolder so many wires now, and I don't want to do that. Okay, let's take a look under the microscope. So again, so we're gonna clean the wipers and behind these two green stuff. Now just be careful with that. I mean, worst case scenario, we might need to replace the whole thing. But again, I don't feel like doing any soldering today, so I'm gonna try to do it without breaking the thing. Okay. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Oh, look at how dirty it is. And look here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean this side, the internal side. Oh, you don't see it. And the wipers. So with some alcohol, we can clean this. You can see the dirt, I believe, or you cannot. This might be better. Anyway. Come on. I don't have alcohol. not too much. Hopefully it's clear. Here we are. Okay, and let's do it from the other side. So this is the wiper. We're gonna do the same, but let's first finish the main ones. Let's leave it on the side here. Okay. Okay, now let's do the same for these guys here. See all this dirt? That is what's causing the issue. Okay, let's put some more alcohol. Yeah. Okay, let's put them back. Actually, we didn't clean from this side. Okay, let's check the second one. Let's do the same. Okay. Okay, let's put everything back together now to test. Now again, worst case scenario, I can replace just the wipers or the whole thing. Let's see. Okay, this side is done. And let's see the other side. Hopefully this is clear. Just make sure the top side is, you know, this is the orientation. Oh, this one is not clean yet. It's not completely clean, see? Yeah. So I might need to clean this one more. Let me go ahead and clean it more. You know what? Let me soak it with alcohol. I'm just gonna soak it in the alcohol, and because I don't wanna damage the metal part. But let's see. What gets stuck? At this point, it's better, honestly, to replace this part here. But I mean, no harm in trying. Let's try. Let's see. I'll fix this later, that's fine. Oh, come here. That should be it. That should be enough. See, it's shiny. Okay. Time to put it back. Okay. Okay, time to put back everything and test. This is the mic. And this one here. Up. Just be careful to align it perfectly. The other side. Perfect. Yeah, the other mic I'll connect it later. That's fine. Let me just plug in and test. Yes. Why I feel I forgot something? No, I don't think so. Yes, I forgot to put these, man. Okay, let's remove it again. I felt I forgot something. Okay. 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 Let's put the battery, and I'm not gonna assemble again. I'm just gonna test first, then see how it goes. Let's see. Where did we go? Here it is. Add device. Oh, it's not connected. Yes, here we are. Okay, yeah, I apologize again. The mic got disconnected, so I'm doing a voiceover. However, I mean, everything went fine. So right now I'm just checking the controller on the website online, and as you can see, it stopped drifting to the left side. The main issue was on the left joystick that was stuck to the left side. Now it's working fine, and the right one is working fine also. The gyroscope is perfectly fine. All buttons basically are good. And yeah, that's it. You know how to reassemble everything. So basically, what we did is we cleaned the wipers, and that fixed the drifting. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.